it's me, BLoc'd. But I am not so locked right now. As you can see, I have a sew-in, y'all. So some of y'all, most of y'all from my Facebook page where I joined a bunch of lock groups and asked suggestions like, has anybody ever gotten the sew-in over their locks? Please post pictures what your locks look like, just so I can see a little variation of how mine would come out. But I got a sew-in. I'm in a wedding, so I decided to go ahead and get the sew-in. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the process, the pictures, because I don't have any videos, but I'll show you the process in this video. It's be like a quick little video. I'm holding the camera, that's why I'm doing something right now, so I was like, let me make this quick video real quick. But I love this. To tell you the truth, I didn't really like it at first because this is my first sew-in, like not even just having locks, like this is my first sew-in ever. So I was like not used to having fake hair in my hair like this. So I was like, I don't know how it look, or like whatever, but I actually like it. Like I'm growing pretty fond of it, and yeah. So I hope you guys like this video. Ask me questions. I'm gonna put my stylist link in the description for her Instagram and her Facebook page. If you were in her area, you can look her up, hit her up if you want to sew in over your locks, because she is the bomb.com, period. But yeah, so like, subscribe, comment, share, tell your friends. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so you know when I post. And I will be posting more often because I'm not in school right now. It's summer, but I am working. So between now and work time, I'll be posting. But yeah, so I was doing this quick little video. And here's the process. I hope you guys enjoy it. Ask me questions. I like questions. I like answering stuff. But here we go. Thank you guys.